Hello YouTube. Well, I was sitting here and just looking around and seeing the sights on the earthquakes. And oh my god, when you see what's happening only today, okay, they got 2 pages. It's, wait a minute. Where are we? 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, here we started. Japan. And here is the Fuji region. They got it 11 minutes past midnight. 6.1. Then a 6.3. A 6.4. A 6.1. A 6.7. A 6.1. A 6.4. In 2 minutes. Then we have near east coast of Japan at 30 minutes, well 29 minutes past midnight. 4.8, 4.8, 4.6, 4.6. Then we got a lot with no name. Greece, Eastern Turkey. Greece here, 2.3, 2.3, 2.1. Southern Greece, 3.0, 2.6, 2.5, 2.5. Then we got here Japan near the east coast, again, at 1.28. I hope I say that right. Okay, anyway. 4.7, 4.8, 4.6, 4.0, 4.6, 4.0. Greece again, then at 2 o'clock, 2:20 after. We got Ila. I was still reading that, eh? Where was I? Greece. Or I get only everything update. Well, anyway, here. Japan again, but when I go to the first side, it was only today, people, only today. Here, when I start, a big one. Wait a minute. We got Japan again, here. 4.6, 4.6, 5.0, 4.4, 4.4. Russia, northwestern Russia, 4.4. Okay, Greece again. Greece and Turkey, there are rumbling, dumbling there the last few days. In Sicily here, Italy, 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 Italia. Right. Anyway, we got a lot. We got a lot. I know that we got a 6.7, I believe it was in Japan. First it was here and now it is gone. What the is that? That's not very nice. Wait a minute. What do we got here? You hear something? I know there were 2 big earthquakes today. One in Japan and one at the Fujis. Over a 6 point something. I know that. Because I saw that. And now it is gone. That's not very nice. No, not very nice. Wait a minute. Maybe when I let me. What do you do now? Let me see. I can take that 3D You know that, but it's not working very nice. I don't know what it is. It just goes. Nah. Anyway. We got a lot of earthquakes. Yes. Here in Holland, Belgium, Germany, it is very quiet. And that's not good, I believe. Too quiet. I mean, it's rumbling, dumbling all over the world, only here not. I don't know. We got only very beautiful weather. But today a little bit of rain. But last 1.5 weeks we got very nice sunshine and everything. So we cannot complain. And the whole world is rumbling, dumbling. And we're sitting here. I don't ask for it. No. Don't get me wrong. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. That side is not working with me. It is working against me, and I don't like that very much. Anyway, voila. See that? Or boomsty and bumsty. Yeah. Not very good. Okie dokie. Taiwan here. You see Taiwan? There was the Fuji, I know that there was 6.3, I believe, today. And now here said 4.9. That's not true. They are lying. Yep. Here, what have we got? Oh, Japan, 6.1, you see? And Japan is, it was this morning. Oh! I'm talking to the people there, and that side goes up and down. That's not good. Okay. Almost all sixes. Few fives, but almost all sixes here in Japan. Only today. In 2 minutes. 7:14, and here is 7:15. Boom, 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 boom. And all the different places of Japan. You see that? I believe that. I really gonna believe that Dutch there is right and that Japan is going down, man. When I was in Japan, I would pack my bags, take an airplane or a boat or whatever, and Pacific Ocean here, not Pacific Ocean. Oh, there was nothing. There was something, but... And then I saw at Yellowstone Park there. There's rumbling, dumbling. I can tell you that. Okay, but that's... Dutch can better do an update about this, because he's doing that all the time and I don't want to interfere in that, okay? Alright. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. God help the people everywhere, although God, he has nothing to do with that. Nope.